Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Typeform. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you logged in with your name, but you want to go ahead and change it. This was because that you set up your name during the setup process and that's the name that you didn't want. How do you actually go ahead and change your name to something that you want? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is first you're going to log into your Typeform account. Next, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon and then click on your settings. Now from here, you're going to see this option here. You're just going to go ahead and click on change name. Right here, it's just blurred out because that's my email. But go ahead and click on change name. And then here you could actually just enter your first name and last name. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your name on Typeform. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.